Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I have another Your Creative Studio unboxing. My last one, I wasn't able to get at it or get to it right away, so I was about 2 weeks late, so that's why this one is so soon. But this is the December 2020, and I've really loved her Amanda's boxes. They are so cool, and like she's doing more and more of her own designs, which is awesome. And this one, she used to say kind of, you know, like more of a thank you and explain what the kit is. But now she's listing what's in it, which is nice, but I don't want to look because I want to be surprised. But I noticed that she's doing more. Like I said, the sticker paper is hers. I think the washi is hers. The stickers, cling stamp, snow owl. Oh, ooh, it's the snow owl. All these are hers. The bookmark is not. Paper collection, maybe not. So anyways, I will get to it. I did peek a little, but everything's packaged up. So, and I love, you know, everybody's keeping this to use in their collages, so I think I'm gonna take it out. Like that, then we don't have the box in our way. So I see a stamp, which is awesome. I'll do a project and stamp out everything in the next video, because I got a Zoom meeting at 4. And it is, what time is it? 3:23. So, that's really cute. I like it. I gotta stamp it now. I gotta stamp it out. Can't wait. I like rubbing them like that. Kind of get them a little, you know, more inky maybe. And then you just want to let it sit there for a while. Maybe I'll leave that in case I get more. And this is probably not the best paper. Yeah, I should have better paper in a foam pack. So I think I'll do that later, because I don't want to make the stamps not look nice, because her stamps are good quality. I think they usually stamp out really well, not like this. So I'm going to wait and stamp them out so as not to dissuade you from getting one of her kits. Alright, so there's that one. Very cute. And there's looks like another stamp. And they're also packaged cutely. Oh, that's cute. A little carousel with some cute stars. These are, I don't know if these are hers. Maybe not. Yeah, the wooden stamps are not hers. So then we have oh, cool. See, that's hers with the numbers. Cool. And of course I want to try to keep them. The little bags, I don't know why. You know how we are, we're hoarders. Not hoarders, but we use everything we can. So cute little snowflakes. Very nice. And these, for hers, you take off the plastic so you can mount it to like a stamp block or a stamping tool. Oops, took it off. There. So that works. And again, I will stamp these out in another video. But I love this guy with his little snow cap on. And his feathers, how cute. That is so cool. Very cool, Amanda. Put them like that, so you can see everything. And then, oh, cool. A mountain saying. That's really cool. That's super popular. And some more snowflakes. Cute. Oops. Cute little snowflakes. Oh, I'm going to lose that one for sure. Better keep them in this. Keep them in here. Because that will be a casualty. I'm going to put this in. She used to, she usually sends them in a plastic envelope. And I've got some kind of similar. I think I'm going to put them in that. What's this now? Another cling stamp. Ooh, another hoodoo. Cool. That's so cool. Some more snowflakes. Really cool. That's cool. Very cute owl set. And washi. Washi tape. See, I think she had one of her last packet kits, I think, had the first of her own design washi. Ooh, that's cool. I'm just gonna. Come on. I hate starting washi. There we go. It's sticky, that's for sure. Oops. Oh, that's pretty. On it. It's really cold down here, and I think that messes up my stuff. There we go. Ooh, that's really cool. He's in flight. That is really awesome. That's really cool tape. I love it. That's cool. Very nice, Amanda. I like that. Then we have some cute stickers. Excuse me. I was never, my mom wasn't either. And my niece, we were talking about this yesterday. Never a fan of Alice in Wonderland. Lasting for a very short time. That's where they're from, right? Yeah. My mom she had nightmares after she read it, and then sadly when she was dying, she thought the Mad Hatter was outside her window scaring her. Yeah, I never really cared for the Mad Hatter, or the Alice, but these are really cool. These are like, you'll use these a lot. I will, I guess. Bonjour. I like that shape. Cute with circle stamps. Oh, these are cool. I thought that was something under it. That's really cool. I like the pretty blue. Kind of matches the washi for sure. That's really cute. And this is cool. I don't know what that means. I'll have to go look it up. And these are nice. So it's kind of cool. Very cool. This is Oh, little pages. Cute. Oh, those are cool. Great for collaging and journaling. Durham Warehouse. And you get a few of each. That's really nice. That'll be cool. And I like the color coordination. Very pretty. That is well with my soul. Specimens. Cool. That's nice. And a notebook. Ooh. Mr. Owl showed up again. Now see, that's a nice tear pad. That you can just tear them off. Sometimes they're... Ooh, I like that. It's really pretty. Nice collage. Look at the wet marks. Oh, they're different. Ooh. There's 3 kinds. Look how pretty that'll go. That's really cool. With their mountains. Ooh, scary owl. Cool. Very, very cool. We had an owl in the backyard, but I didn't see it because it was way behind our trees and I just couldn't catch it. So, oh no, okay, then next we have some awesome embellishments. These are, I think these are hers. Maybe not. Yeah, these are not hers, but they're beautiful. All the same. I need a white piece of paper. There we go. Look at the nice color. Oh, I love the colors. Ooh, cloudy. Super cool. That is cool. Better keep them on here so I don't lose any. Very pretty. Cute fox. Oh, and a polar bear. With the scenery, that's cool. Snowflakes. Branches. Little penguin. Saw that. Nice. Didn't see him, did we? Yeah, we did. Saw him, saw that. Didn't see this guy, a wolf. No, it's a deer. Oh, cool. With branch antlers. That's pretty. Oh, I did this a couple of years ago. A wreath and trees. The last year, yeah, 2 years ago. With watercolors. Very nice. It's simple watercolor, but the best. That's gorgeous. Pretty. This is so awesome. Look at that, it's so cool. I want to paint one of those. Oh, cool. That's so awesome. Pretty. Holly. That's nice. Those are really pretty in a feather. No, not a feather. Oh, whatchamacallit. Christmas trees branch. There's that. I'm going to get these back in so I don't lose any. That is really pretty. I'm going to use that card in there too. Now, don't forget, you got to jump on her subscription boxes like right now. Like I would, she has a subscription like you can either buy one or you can buy like 4 months worth, and I would do that. Those are pretty. These are hers. Nice. They're like rumply. Cool. And I've seen this before. This is really pretty paper. It's hers design. But look at how nice it goes with all this. So nice. I can't wait to play with this. It's so pretty. And then she always puts in like a bookmark or a charm or something fun to add to your journal. And look at this cool thing. A big bookmark. But look at it. His tummy's full of some kind of flower. Isn't that pretty? With a snowflake. Gorgeous, gorgeous kit. Amanda, I love it. So, I have a link down below with a code for you. So, go ahead and order them. You will not be sad. I think they're just really awesome. And they, you know, they're products that'll last for a while. Keep using them in different projects. I'll show how I use them in an upcoming video. So please let me know what you think. What is your favorite thing? I think that's got to be mine. But I also love him. And this washi tape is gorgeous. These are cool. All right, so all of it is. So I put everything away and totally lost track of this. This is cool. Best taste period. But thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'd love to see you come back. And comment below. And then give a like if you feel like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.